Okay, so now we have basically the PRD and the MCP server of Taskmaster set up inside that Docker container. All we need to do is go to our, so we don't need this anymore. We're going to close all of them and make this terminal big. And here I'm going to write just Claude so that I can run Claude. To be honest, now is the time that I would like to run this dangerously skip permissions. Now I will run it so that it can go in YOLO mode. What I will do is, since I already have this PRD, this detailed PRD written here, was already reviewed, everything looks good to me. I will just drag and drop this here, and then I'll ask Claude Code to use this PRD and use Taskmaster to create all the tasks for this PRD. So now what will happen is Taskmaster will generate, Claude Code will use Taskmaster's MCP to generate all the tasks required for this one. So literally inside this Taskmaster folder, we'll see tasks, and then it will start generating the rest of the information. You can see that it just created the tasks folder. It's going to create the tasks.json folder and so on and so forth. So meanwhile, I will go here and run in my computer taskmaster list with subtasks. Right now, this will give an error because there is no tasks.json sitting in here. But as soon as Claude Code generates these tasks using the MCP of Taskmaster, I should see the task table in here any minute soon. So it's now executing this command called parse PRD through the MCP connection. That's how we know that the connection of the MCP worked fine. All right, so I will resume the recording as soon as this is done. All right, so now it is finished. It created tasks.json. You can see this is a very detailed file where all the tasks are added. And also in here, it execute after the PRD, it executed the get tasks. And now if I go here and execute this command, you can see there's a bunch of tasks created. The project dashboard shows that it is on project 0%. We're going to keep an eye on this and also on subtasks. Until now, there are no subtasks, but you can see the tasks are like initialize Next.js project, create comprehensive mock data, implement Kanban layout, and so on and so forth. Along with the priorities of these tasks, the status you will see in the next videos how it goes, and the dependencies of these tasks. Additionally, we can also calculate the complexities of the tasks as it goes on. Claude Code will decide when to define the complexities and kind of like take the whole communication between Claude Code and Taskmaster by itself. So now, since we have created these tasks, and if you see the git dev here, you can see that these tasks are now generated in here, and also the state is now here, and also some configuration changes. So this is the time that we need to save this inside Git. So we're going to added Taskmaster tasks so that we can save it inside the Taskmaster. So this is how you create tasks inside Taskmaster using Claude Code connected through the MCP server of Taskmaster. In the next video, we're going to start executing tasks on an autonomous or YOLO mode in Claude Code. See you in the next video.